Okay guys, so this little improvement can save you a lot of money in the long run. Okay, so I just want to go over a little bit how the furnace works so you understand how would you save money. So these blowers here, I mean not blowers, burners, they require some air, right? To consume, to burn the fire. Now this blower here, which is actually this blower here, okay, is blowing, I'm just going to make it very simple, is blowing the air through these burners and through the chamber, through here into the chimney pipe. Okay, so it's sucking the air from your house and blowing it out of the chimney. And since your house does not have unlimited supply of air, it has to get the air from somewhere, right? And that's outside. So the house is actually sucking the air from the outside. And when it's cold outside, like 10 degrees or even colder maybe in some places, that makes it big different. Because you sucking cold air back into the house from outside while you're trying to heat the air right here with the furnace. That makes no sense, right? So this little improvement, which is this pipe right here, that doesn't belong here, that was not here originally, I just installed it, it's going to make a huge difference. And that is also why the high efficiency furnaces have two pipes. One is the gas, burned gas, coming out, and one is the fresh air coming in. So it doesn't suck the fresh air from your house, but it sucks the fresh air from the outside. But these not really high efficiency furnaces, they don't come with it. But we can make it a little more high efficient furnace. Okay, so this is a 2-inch pipe, PVC, pretty much plumbing, drain, whatever. And I found this pipe in a dumpster where it's like a big development, a condos development. And they throw away a lot of these pipes, like more than I can even use here. So I just grab it from the dumpster. So I have a free pipe. So why not install this air inlet for the furnace, right? So this is how it goes in, right here, in these burners. And it's going to suck the air from the outside, coming in here, and not from the house. And pretty much this is how I went. Just go up and up and up through the ceiling, and then, well, you're not going to be able to see this, but it's just a straight shot outside, and then I show you on the outside what it is. But oh, and also this is the vent on the door. That's how the furnace get the air. And I pretty much cover it up. Okay, so now I'm going to start the furnace, show you how it works, and that's it. Okay, so this is how the furnace works, right? Right now we have this fan spinning, and you don't have a blower yet, but this fan is already drawing the air. Okay, now the blower kicked in. I mean the blower, the burner. I keep saying blower. So you see how much flame is in there, right? So that flame requires some air, and that's the air that's pulling from your house. And pretty much this blower is pulling the air from your house too, and then the house is sucking the air through the holes and through the fans, the bathroom fans, and I don't know through what, all the gaps and cracks. and pretty much sucking the cold air back into the house. So this pipe here is going to be supplying the air straight to the burners. Okay? So here we are on the outside. Might be a little bit overpowered. There you go. A little less light. Okay. It's just a pretty much pipe, open pipe. I'm gonna have to put a little screen on the bottom for the summer. But right now there's a winter, so no bugs will be coming in. And that's all it is on the outside. So this is the suction here. Okay. You can see how it wants to suck in the tissue, right? Now it's sucking the air from here instead of from the house. Yeah, guys, so that's all it's to it, you know. Maybe I should seal this gap a little bit around the chimney pipe, and maybe even a little bit here, but that hole that I cut out is pretty good. But that's it. It's just sucking the air from the outside right now instead of from the house. It sounds pretty happy, and that's all it's to it. Hey, there's something hiding behind the pipe here. Let me see what that is. Cheers.